Rusty's Crypto Cave here with some post-winter storm updates. Here is one of the trees that came down in the yard. This one right at the roots and just fell the hell over. Not a big deal because it's kind of in the middle of nowhere in the property, so I'll clean that up once the weather breaks. But let's go check out some other stuff. This is the tree that's a little bit more concerning. If you see that guy right there, that one also came up from the roots and it is falling over towards the house. So I need to get that puppy chopped down. Got the chainsaw back from my dad. He dropped it off the other day. So I'm going to get working on that as soon as I get some time. Get that thing taken down and hopefully get it down before it damages the house. And then let's go check out some other stuff. There's another one that's down. That's also away from at the edge of my property as well. That one's not a big deal, so that one's going to wait until the weather breaks and things get better as far as that goes. Because I'm not too concerned about that one. That will just get in the way when it's time to cut the grass. But no damage to the shed, which is good. But there is another one. That guy right in front of us. Beautiful black walnut tree. Fucking hate those things. That one's leaning towards the house as well. So that one's coming down at some point too. So, but no snow on the roof. Wonder why. Yeah, power was knocked out Tuesday morning, somewhere around 6 to 8 in the morning, and it didn't come back until Thursday morning, probably around 7 a.m. or so. And so pretty much 2 full days without power. That was the longest my mining equipment's been shut off since I started mining in August of 2018. That's when I started mining, and that's the longest the thing's been shut off. But everything in here has been up and running good. I still got to replace those batteries in that guy. I haven't done that yet. We'll get a quick look at power usage. 5,500 watts on the green outlet, 4,300 on the blue, 52 on the red. I still haven't swapped the KS0s over to the veteran miner cables and stuff on server power supply. Haven't done that yet, but we're hearing some grumblings about as far as they're supposed to be running at 19 volts and these are at 12 volts. So I don't know if I'm going to do it or not, but it's cold. They've been running well. And actually with the recent price bump in Caspa, those two guys paid themselves off. So at the end of this month, I'm going to be putting them on the same wallet, because right now they're currently mining to 2 different wallets. I had the payout set at 500, and it's been taking over a month now to get a payout. So I'm going to put them both on the same wallet, just get payouts a little bit more frequently. But overall, though, everything's running good. ASIC's running good. KS2, I did have to do a hard reboot just because I was unable to log into the firmware. It was still mining, still in a pool and everything like that. It's just I couldn't log into the dashboard. Here's some kind of memory dump issue or whatever. So I just powered on, powered back off, or powered off and powered back on again, and everything was working fine. This is where the mini doge was. As you can see, the miner graveyard's kind of over here. These aren't profitable, but the iBlink BMK3 still is. I just don't have the power to run it. We'll see about that. The Jazz miner, that thing is still mining in Octaspace. That's kind of giving me some issues now too. It runs for a while and then it reboots and shuts down and then it restarts and then over. And it takes now the X41Us do take some time to build the DAG file. So I'm missing out on 20 minutes every couple hours of mining. And also I switched it from Crazy Pool over to K1 Pool, and just in the first 24 hours it seems like the rewards have been better by like 0.5 octa. So I was only getting around 0.9 to 1 octa space every 24 hours on Crazy Pool. And in the first 24 hours I already got 1.5 something. So I'm going to let it run in K1 Pool and see how it does. So far it's off to a good start. When everything basically powered back on, when I regained power, everything turned back on, except for some reason the 3080s. For whatever reason, I don't know if the BIOS got reset or the CMOS battery is dead or whatever, but I had all my rigs except for my 3070 Ti rig in the basement, which I had been putting off. I don't know why, just because I'm too lazy to hook up a monitor to it to get in the BIOS to change that setting. So it reboots and starts up in the Hive once the power comes back on. But I'm thinking that maybe the CMOS battery might have died in this one or something. I don't know. But this one was booting back automatically in the Hive OS. For some reason, it's not now. So I had to come out and manually restart this one. But everything else has been fine. The only other thing, the helium miners, the helium Wi-Fi. Actually, I'm gonna go back outside. It's a little noisy in here yet. So, the helium miners finally started earning rewards again. It did take them some time to get back up, and like the IoT miner took like 3 days to get a witness, and so on and so forth. And the outdoor Wi-Fi unit was the first one to come back online. That one took about a day and a half or so. Once I got 12 hours of the heartbeats, that came back and was earning money again. And then, but the indoor Wi-Fi one for some reason took longer. Don't know why, but whatever it is, they're both up and running right now and earning rewards. I do have to get up on a roof and get that outdoor Wi-Fi one mounted up there and set at a better angle, because where it's currently at is kind of half-assed, and it's not really optimized to get the most rewards. So once I get up there on the roof and get the snow melted now to get up there, so I want to get that done and taken care of so I can get some more rewards with that. And then my Bobcat miner, I just unplugged that one. I'm going to take that either to the fiance's house, not too far from me, or sisters or family, something like that. Just I got to check out the hexes and just get that thing running and get a couple IoT. Not gonna make much, but hey, something's better than nothing. But anyway, that's just a post-storm update with the shed. Everything's been up and running well since Thursday morning. It is currently Sunday at about 2:30 in the afternoon. Everything still is running well, and hopefully don't lose power again. There is another storm coming, it's supposed to be this weekend possibly. It all depends on how the models and stuff work out, so hopefully it's not too bad. But this is kind of funny that all the hot air blowing out the shed, there's no snow there. So, but hopefully it's just rain, because as of right now, Weather Channel is showing it's just rain, but there are some things I've seen that it could be possible widespread 10 plus inches of snow for the Northeast. Hopefully not. I had enough of snow. Screw it. We were lucky the last couple of years here and didn't get much, but now we had 2 this week that we had to get stuff cleaned up. But yeah, overall, just gotta get the yard cleaned up because there's shit down everywhere. So main one's to get the one by the house, so that doesn't fall in the house. That's my main concern. But as far as mining goes, we're back and running. So till the next one, we'll catch you later.